First example, x raised to 8 multiplied by x squared. Okay, step 1, identify if the base are the same. Do they have the same base? Yes. What is the given base? X. Okay, first copy the base. Then, if the base are the same, what we're going to do with the exponent? Just add. So, what is the exponent here? 8. And this is? 8 plus 2. Okay, that's it. This is the answer. X raised to 10. Do you understand? Another example. A cubed times A raised to 5. Step 1. Do the expression have the same base? What is the base? Just copy the base. Then what we're going to do with the exponent? Okay, add. 3 plus 5? Okay, therefore, this is the answer. Another example. What if meron na tayong dalawang variables or dalawang base? Same procedure pa rin yan, anak. Step 1, identify if the base are the same. Do they have the same base? What are the base? What are the same base? X and? Sulat na natin yung parehas na base, X and Y. Then after that, get the sum of the exponent, of their exponent. So what is the exponent here? 4. Meron po ba dito? May X muna tayo, anak. Meron po ba exponent si X? Wala. Automatic meron siyang imaginary 1. Laging meron po, ha? Okay, 1 plus 2. Ayun yung para kay X. X cube. Okay, Y na po tayo. 4 plus 1. Therefore, this is the answer. X cube, Y raised to 5. Next, number 4. Okay, how many monomials do we have? 3. 3 na po iyan. Ganun pa rin po ang procedure. Kahit 10 yung monomials, same pa rin ang ating procedure. Step 1, identify if they have the same base. Do we have the same base? Ano po yung base na parehas? X and Y. Then after that, get the sum of their exponent. Okay. What is the new exponent here? 1 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, meaning meron tayong 4 dito kay X. Ganun din kay Y. 2 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, therefore, this is the answer. Now, ma'am, what if meron na tayong numerical coefficient? What we're going to do? Same procedure. Just multiply first the numerical coefficient, then simplify the variables. Okay, first, get the product of the numerical coefficient. 9 times 4. 9 times 4. 36. So, after getting the product of the numerical coefficient, our next step is combine the variables or what we call the literal coefficient. So, how to get the product of the literal coefficient? Identify first if they have the same base. Do they have the same base? Okay. What are the base? X and Y. Okay. So, then add the exponent. 3 plus 2, 5. Then, 4 plus 3, 7. This is the answer. So, any question? Sige, I give you 1 minute to answer.